exercise is a bird dog push-up. It's a little advanced. There are a couple modifications I will show you at the end. A bird dog is bringing one arm and the opposite leg up. That's a bird dog. So basically, we're going to do a push-up into that. So it looks like this. Back up here. To modify that, you could do a push-up and then do a bird dog. Opposite side. You can just do the bird dog, leave the push-up out of it. It's going to be a little challenging when it comes to balance, so make sure you control the movement and really focus while doing this exercise.